Okay, so deadlift, one of the core exercises to build overall mass and strength. A lot of people really struggle with this. Some simple things I like to start with. I wouldn't go for a mixed grip, so one hand underhand and one hand over. I'd go for a double overhand grip. So the reason for that is if a mixed grip is going to be stronger, but you're also going to have uneven forces through your body, and you're also going to have a risk of a potential bicep pull on the underhand. In terms of start position for the deadlift, I would start with hands just outside the shoulder width, feet where you feel comfortable, shoulders apart. Starting point, you want to try and think about driving through your hips, get your hips low, and then drive, almost think about a leg press through the floor. It's like a leg press motion, or a squat essentially, but instead of the weight being on your shoulders, think about the weight being in your hands. You want to try and keep obviously up our neutral spine. So in terms of that, I would suggest you try and look up, never look down when you're deadlifting. So you look down, you'll arch your back, so I try and keep looking straight forward, try and keep your shoulders back, and engage and drive through your heels. So I personally like, in terms of weightless belts, to wear a belt as well, because it makes me conscious proprioception-wise in my core and where I'm position-wise. So personally like a belt, I would use straps as well if it's a little bit heavier. This is obviously demonstration. Try and use this more of a bodybuilding movement rather than just a raw powerlifting strength movement. As you come up, try and think about driving, squeezing your lats back and squeeze through your back rather than just pulling the weight up. And don't hyperextend and come too far back. Just keep it nice and controlled. With this, I wouldn't be a fan of doing anything in terms of weight-wise less than 6 reps, because I think you put yourself at too much risk of an injury. Try not to bounce off the floor. So this is a conventional standard deadlift. There's lots of variations. But it's a very good movement for you to build overall mass.